Okay, we're going to look at rearranging equations. This is very important in my particular subject, which is physics. Students often have problems rearranging equations, so you need to develop these skills and keep practicing and practicing them until you absolutely do it without any effort. There are two rules that you need to abide by when you're rearranging equations. Number one, always do the same thing to both sides of an equation. An equation basically has an equal sign, and it says that one side is equal to the other. So if you start doing, say, subtracting something from one side, you must do exactly the same thing to the other side to make it still equal. The second rule is when we start rearranging, and we make sure that we do adding and subtracting bits first, then followed by any multiplication and division that's required, and finally we deal with if there are roots and square roots. Okay, we're going to start with a nice simple equation, a equals b plus c. Now we call A the subject of this particular equation, but if we want to make B the subject, then what we need is B equals something. So this is called rearranging. So we want to arrange, we say we're going to rearrange for B. Now if we have a look at the rules, rule 2, it says you deal with adding and subtracting first. Well, we've only got adding and subtracting here. We've just got b plus c, so it's b add c. So it's nice and simple. So what do? In order to get, we need basically to get rid of c. So we have b equals something. And to get rid of c, what we could do is subtract c from this side. But by rule 1, if we subtract c from this side, then we also have got to subtract c from this side. So let's do that. So we're going to write a minus c equals b plus c minus c. So you can see that these will cancel on this side, so we'll be left with b. So finally we have b equals a minus c. So if we rearrange this, we have made b the subject of this equation.